Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Good day, and I hope you're all doing great wherever you are. And I hope you're feeling very good as well. And I hope trading has been very, very good to you. Though the forex market can be so challenging sometimes, but I trust you could excel. You don't have to give up. Don't have to give up whatever you're actually trying to do. You just have to keep moving. You just have to keep moving. You just have to keep doing whatever that is best that you can do. There are so many traders out there that are making it every time. So you don't have to give up. You just have to keep moving. You just have to keep trading. Keep the strategy that you are using, keep making sure that you are making it work best for you. It might take time, it might be so painful, sometimes challenging, but I want to assure you that if you get to the end of the road, you can actually get whatever you want through forex trading. So in today's class, I know it's been some time I've been online. I've been seriously working on self-development as well, because even if you have a very good strategy and you're not updating yourself on that strategy on a daily basis, at some point in time I get weak. I don't trade with indicators, I trade with naked chart, you understand? So but today I just found that I should um bring up something which I feel might be beneficial for new traders out there, which I feel this could help. So, oh, so sorry that I'm sharing this, which I feel this could help. So, in today's edition, I want to just update you on how to reset stop loss and take profit. Though I don't have any PowerPoint slide that could guide me through this, but I just want to make sure that with this, I can put you through whatever that we have in this financial market. So, I hope you just keep on as I take you through. So I know a lot of traders out there know how to put stop loss and take profit. It's not a big task. It's something we do on a daily basis in the chat. By the time you want to execute a trade, you have to put your stop loss, put your take profit. But we actually talk more on risk management. We don't talk on reward management. If you actually are risking a particular value of your capital or a particular percentage of your capital, how often did you actually look as well at the reward? So this is why I'm bringing up this public section for you to understand the reward management. So the reward management is just about how to put your take profit in the right way. You don't put take profit in the wrong way whereby market get there and it will reverse and you still think maybe market will still take your profit. Whereas markets keep reversing, which is in your opposite direction, and come back to your break even, or even if you don't break even, and hit your stop loss and you're out of the trade. But if you understand the take profit strategy, I I can understand you very well, and I believe you that you can take that strategy to another level in add it to your toolbox and it's going to help you. So this is what I have. Sorry if I don't have a guide. I just want to give you this. So if you want to put your stop loss at the end, number one is to identify your structure. If you are trading on a 15 minutes, your stop loss should be on the 15 minutes. But what are those things that guide your 15 minutes? You before you take a decision on the 15 minutes which you are trading, there must be something that guides those decisions. Those are facts, your objectivity, your analysis. everything that guides those decisions. So your decision making time frame is your 15 minutes, but your analysis starts from the 4 hour. So if you want to put a stop loss, just put your stop loss from the 15-minute time frame by identifying the structure point first, your structure. For example, if I'm to execute a trade, let me use my notation. If I'm to execute a trade at this level here, and I calculate my stop loss. My stop loss, what I actually use manually, example for those retail traders or newbies who don't understand how to calculate stop loss using PIP calculator or what, just use your current price, your executed price. If I execute my price here, I will write down the price of this executed price. Then my stop loss will be below the candle, be like 2 pips away, below the candle of the executed price, which is at this place. So whatever that is between here, whatever that is between here is my stop loss. Whatever that is between here is my stop loss. So the pips in between here times my lot size will give me the value of the risk that I have or actually risk on this trade. Now, if I'm to actually know my take profit, I will identify the structure of my take profit from the charts that I do my analysis. I will go to my 4 hour. That is how I trade. I will go to my 4 hour. By the time I get to my 4 hour, I will have known that, okay, I started entry at this point. So I expect that at this point, market should buy up and reach this level. So my take profit will be here, while my stop loss that I have identified on the 15 minutes will be here. Why? Because why did I put my take profit here? Why didn't I use the 15-minute time frame? I didn't use the 15-minute time frame because that wasn't my analysis time frame. It was just my decision-making time frame. You need to understand between the time frame you are trading and the time frame you are analyzing. If you analyze the 15 minutes, you know that, okay, you need to take your trade from the 1 minute. If you analyze it from the daily, you need to know that you need to take your trade from 1 hour or 15 minutes or whichever way that suits you. So just on a short note, just take your profit at every structure of the 4 hour. So my profit now, if I want to take my profit, will be here. So I've been writing down the stop loss and inserting the stop loss level here. I have used a tighter stop loss, maximum of 15 pips, but I am targeting what? I am targeting like 45 pips or 50 pips take profit. Now, that is how to put your take profit and your stop loss by identifying the structure between your analysis time frame in your 4 hour as your take profit and your trading time frame as your stop loss. When you identify the structure, write down the current price, then reduce it by removing it or minus from the expected price. Your current price, your stop loss equals to your current price or your executed price minus your expected price. So that would be your stop loss. Likewise, your take profit, your current price plus your executed price will give you the pips of your take profit. So that is just what I have for you on this session. Now, lastly, if you want to calculate your risk to reward ratio, you calculate your risk to reward ratio by the total risk. For example, if you risk $20, per trade, then you divide it by your reward. If you reward yourself, maybe at the end of that trade, you have maybe $60. So at the end of this, you should have your risk to reward ratio should be around 30%. That's if I'm right. Your risk to reward ratio should be around 30% or less. So this is how to calculate risk to reward ratio. So in the meantime, you can as well calculate risk to reward ratio by yourself by dividing the risk per trade all over the reward per trade. Lastly, that I have for you is how to put your take profit rightly. You don't put take profit at the top of a structure, or you don't put your if you are buying, you don't put your take profit at the top of a structure, and you don't put your take profit below a structure if you are selling. Let's an example. As I put my entry here, My take profit will be here. Let me clean this so that I can give you more explanation on this very well before I call it a day. So let me, sorry, okay. Okay. So now my take profit will be, if I enter my trade here for my 15 minutes, my take profit will be at the neck of the structure. Don't put your take profit above a structure and you are buying, because you never can tell if there is an order, active order block that will make this market to reverse here. So as I, for example, if I enter this trade now, my take profit will be here. Take profit one will be here. My take profit two will be here. My take profit two, at least I would have taken the trade out and it would have actually added to my balance than to over expect the price to reach here, which in most cases might not, or it might. Because you cannot predict what the market will do, always be actual about your strategy, always be actual about your stop loss and your take profit. So always use a bottleneck, that is, put your take profit at the neck of the structure, not above the structure or below the structure. So whatever you see, I believe this helps you a lot. So this is what I can give you for now, and I hope you enjoying this session, and I hope you have a very good and a lovely trading time. Thank you. Goodbye for now.